Add the widget. Make sure to add it to a global section, such as your header or the footer, if you want it to be active across your whole site. Add it to a specific page if you want it to be active only for that specific page. Click the Manage Settings button to configure the widget. It can be blacklist, which means that only the selected countries will be redirected to that URL that you can also configure here. Or select whitelist if you want that only the selected countries will get access to your site and all the other countries will be redirected to the redirection URL. Also, it's important to say that this icon will be visible only in your editor. Navigating to the live site will automatically remove that icon. It's meant for the settings only.